Now the old Dodge. This thing has a 318 wide block in it. It's getting really dark out here. Sorry if the video is shitty. Frozen. There we go. Can you see that in there? 318 wide block with loose battery cables in a really leaky manifold and fuel pump. They don't even make the fuel pumps for these things anymore. So we have to convert it to electric from my old Derby car's fuel pump. This fucker's old. Even has the working hydraulic tilt bed on it. Stock. Hope you guys can see. Oh yeah, I forgot this thing. Contact. Yeah, something's happened. What the fuck is that? Pump the shit out of it. I don't never use the choke anyways. See, it's gonna happen. Oh yeah! This fucker, original motor and everything. Fucking fires right up. Fucking ain't. It's running. This thing is like a cruise control in the olden days. Keeps the throttle on a little bit. It's pretty cold out here. I think it's January 21st. She runs. Fucking can't see anything, it's so dark. Turn it off. Turn the power off. Coolio! Let's go start the '74 Maverick now.